The people of India
the people of India
having solemnly resolved to
have solemnly resolved to
constitute India into a
constitute India into a
sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic,
republic
and to secure to all
and to secure to all
its citizens
citizens
justice, social, economic, and political,
justice, social, economic, and political,
liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship,
liberty of thought, expression of belief, and worship,
equality of status and of opportunity,
equality of status and of opportunities,
and to promote among them all
and to promote among them all
fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In the Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949,
in our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1999,
do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution,
enact and